Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen monthly, I still think that we are very likely in a wave 4, which will probably make some sort of a three-wave pattern down before we make a push up for a wave 5, which I still think is an extremely clear pattern on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now, the weekly time frame, we have a couple options here. Option number one is that this is already an A, a B, and that we're just going to keep on going down for a wave C, which is what I've been saying. But I do see the possibility of this actually going up one more time, and this is like an A, B with a running flat wave B, and then up for a wave C, and then go down like that. We do have to be aware that it might go up and try to grab those highs first. So going down to the daily time frame, definitely looking very impulsive to the upside for sure. I mean, the trend is definitely down right now because our last stretch is way up here, but the market flow has definitely been up for a few days now. So I probably would be looking for longs on sort of time frames cautiously because this move up is still possibly a crutch into this move down right here. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, this move up is definitely looking pretty impulsive. It looks more like a trend than anything. So I mean, it's still either a wave A or a wave 1. If it's a wave A, then it might go down, make a wave B, might go back up and make a wave C, up to a Fibonacci level, and then turn to the downside, continuing the downtrend. If it's a 1, 2, 3, then it would maybe bounce for some fib levels, but it would literally just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for logs right now. There's been a couple of amazing 1, 2, 3 patterns. Look at that. It's like a perfect ABC. Even this back here is almost a perfect ABC. So there's definitely been a couple pretty decent longs. Now, I definitely wouldn't try to go long now. And we do have non-farm payroll coming out today, which is a US dollar news event, but it probably will affect the yen pairs also. I for sure wouldn't try to go long right now. And I don't think I would try to go short either because we're not at a Fibonacci level or nothing. So really the strategy is to be holding a trade from back here, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for a pullback to go long again for potentially the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.